Hi friends! Today we are going to draw 16 funny and unique Italian meme characters. Let's start drawing together. 1. Let's draw Frulli Frulla. Frulli Frulla is a cheerful cartoon bird full of color. How to draw? Draw a bird's head with a long beak. Add big eyes to make it look cute. Draw the wings and small legs. Color. Use bright colors like black, yellow, and orange, or any colors you like. Let's draw Frigo Camelo. Frigo Camelo is a camel mixed with a refrigerator. How to draw? Draw a simple camel body. Add a refrigerator shape on its body. Draw legs with big shoes. Time to color! Use gray like a fridge, or be creative. Let's draw Lavaka Satuno. Saturnita. Lavaka Satuno. Saturnita is a planet cow with Saturn-like rings. How to draw? Draw the cow's head and body. Add a planet ring around its body. Draw big legs underneath.
Now I know my
time to color. Use brown, blue, and cream, or your favorite colors. Let's draw Bombombini. Gusini. Bombombini. Gusini is a duck bomber airplane. How to draw? Draw a duck's head. Add airplane wings on both sides. Draw engines or propellers. Color. Use gray, green, or fun military-style colors. Let's draw Tigroligre Fruttoni. Tigroligre Fruttoni is a lemon tiger. How to draw? Draw a tiger's body. Add lemon slice textures. Draw a fierce but funny face. color. Use bright yellow and orange. Draw. TungTung Sahurrr. TungTung Sahurrr is a wooden stick for waking people up for Sahur. How to draw? Draw a long stick shape. Add a simple face. Add small arms if you like. Time to color. Use wooden brown colors. Let's draw ooh, din 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 dun, ma din 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 dun. This character is a human-shaped lemon. How to draw? Draw a lemon as the head. Add a muscular human body. Draw legs and big shoes. Yellow is the main color, but feel free to choose any. Burbaloni, Lulilolli. Burbaloni, Lulilolli is a coconut mouse. How to draw? Draw a round coconut body. Add a mouse face. Draw a small tail. Use brown and cream colors. Špijuniro, Golubiro. Špijuniro Golubiro is a pigeon secret agent. How to draw? Draw a pigeon's body. Add a suit and tie. Make a serious expression. Use gray and brown. Let's draw. Tata Sahur? Tata Sahur is an angry stick character. How to draw? Draw a standing stick. Add an angry face. Draw small hands. Color. Use dark or wooden colors. let's draw Hammudd Habibi. Hammudd Habibi is a spooky Arabic-style cartoon character. How to draw? Draw a simple face. Add big eyes. Make a scary expression. Time to color. Use dark colors or your imagination. Let's draw Tatatata Sahurrr. Tatatata Sahurrr is a cute and cheerful cup character. How to draw? Draw a cup shape. Add a smiling face. Draw small arms. To color. Use bright and happy colors. Let's draw Abonono. Alien. Abonono alien is a mysterious avocado gorilla. How to draw? Draw a big avocado shape. Add a gorilla face. Add alien details. Color. Avocado green is perfect. Cocofanto. Elefanto. Cocofanto. Elefanto is a coconut elephant. How to draw? Draw an elephant's body. Add coconut texture. Draw a big trunk. Time to color. Use brown and gray. Let's draw Glorbo Fruttodrillo. Glorbo Fruttodrillo is a cucumber crocodile. How to draw? Draw a crocodile body. Add cucumber patterns. Draw cute teeth. Time to color. Use bright green. 16. Let's draw alien eyes. Alien eyes are mysterious eyes from outer space. How to draw? Draw 2 big eyes. Add small legs. Make a strange expression. Time to color! Use any fun and unique colors. Wow! Great job, friends! Today, we finished drawing 16 super funny Italian meme characters. See you in the next drawing video!